moving on and shifting our focus to Jammu and Kashmir, Chief Minister Omar Abdullah has levelled serious allegation against the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing the party of attempting to poach MLAs by offering cash, cabinet berths and even promising the restoration of the statehood. Addressing party workers in Srinagar yesterday, Omar Abdullah claimed that one of his Jammu MLAs was offered 20 to 30 crore rupees, a ministerial position as well, and assurance of the statehood in exchange for switching side. Even Jammu and Kashmir Deputy Chief Minister has levelled the same charges. Listen in to what he said. We'll get you that reaction, but let me once again take you through the entire controversy as far as Jammu and Kashmir is concerned. A big allegation that has come in from the Chief Minister there. He has levelled a serious allegation against the Bharatiya Janata Party, accusing the party of attempting to poach his MLAs by offering cash, cabinet berths and most importantly what he has said, even promising the restoration of the statehood as well. And in fact, yesterday he addressed his party workers in Srinagar, and in that address he has claimed that one of his Jammu MLAs, that is a National Conference MLA, has been offered 20 to 30 crore rupees, a ministerial position as well, and assurance of a statehood in exchange for switching side and coming to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen in.
और आज जहां आपके पैसों की लालच नहीं चली, जहां आपकी मिनिस्ट्रियों की लालच नहीं चली, वहां आप बंद कमरे में मेरे एमएलएओं को कह रहे हो आओ हमारे साथ, आप जब आओगे तो हम आपको रियासत देंगे। अल्लाह गवाह है, अगर मेरे जम्मू के एक एमएलए ने मुझे कमरे में आके ये बात नहीं कही हो, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का बीजेपी का एक ओहदेदार, सुप्रीम कोर्ट का वकील, बीजेपी का ओहदेदार मेरे एक जम्मू के एमएलए को बंद कमरे में कहता है हम 20 से 30 करोड़ एक मिनिस्ट्री और रियासत का दर्जा।
And the Congress Party, which is an ally of the National Conference there in Jammu and Kashmir, has called this the Modi-Shah toolkit and this standard operating practice. On the other hand, we're learning that the Bharatiya Janata Party has strongly refuted all the allegations that have been made by Omar Abdullah and the Congress Party, calling them completely baseless and misleading, and have accused the Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister of trying to divert attention from his own government's failure. Listen in.
आज जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्यमंत्री उमर अब्दुल्ला जी ने एक बेहद ही गैर जिम्मेदाराना और निंदनीय बयान दिया है, जब उन्होंने बगैर किसी तथ्य के आधार पर यह अनर्गल आरोप लगाने का प्रयास किया कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनकी पार्टी के विधायकों को तोड़ने का प्रयास कर रही है। भाजपा की जम्मू कश्मीर इकाई ने इस वक्तव्य की तीव्र निंदा करते हुए उनसे सीधे कहा है कि या तो वो सबूत प्रस्तुत करें अथवा वो माफी मांगे। वास्तविकता ये है कि जम्मू कश्मीर में अपनी सरकार की अक्षमता, अकर्मण्यता और कुशासन को छिपाने के लिए और इन मुद्दों से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए इस प्रकार का अनर्गल आरोप।
Now, these charges have triggered a fresh political controversy in Jammu and Kashmir, even as the debate over restoration of statehood intensifies. The controversy comes just days before the National Conference. In fact, their plan to protest at Jantar Mantar here in the national capital on July 20th, the day when the monsoon session of the parliament also starts, and their key demand will be the restoration of the full statehood. Now, in a parallel move, Kashmiri Pandit organization, they have also announced a protest at the same venue, seeking a separate homeland for genocide victims. The National Conference said that it is yet to receive any permission for the protest, and they have said that there's an attempt that has been made by the Bharatiya Janata Party to sabotage this program as well.